Hey, I'm Brad. I'm going to show you how to raise and lower the handicap trailers. This orange remote control has a right and left buttons on here. Right side, left side on the trailer here, which will raise and lower this electric jack. Simply push the down buttons or up buttons to raise and lower it. Once the trailer is up off the ground like you see it here, these pins become loose. You can pull these silver pins, pull the red handle pins to release all these jacks. Store the pins inside the trailer. Go around and do all 6 jacks. Once you have all your pins out, simply push the up buttons to raise it, or lower the trailer, raising the jacks back up. Now for the front jack, there's a button on the front here for raising and lowering the front jack. If for some reason you lose power, pop off this cap. There's a crank inside the utility room to raise it and lower it by hand. There's also a light switch for in the dark use. Hi, I'm Brad. I'm going to show you how to work our handicap modules. Remote control has an up and down button. Simply push the button to raise or lower the handicap module. Put that away. Walk around the side here to lower the ramp. And that's for setting it up. For tearing it down, pick the ramp up. Lock it in place. Come back over here, raise it back up. After that, simply assemble your 2 straps for traveling on both sides, the yellow straps down here. Make sure they're good and tight. Some of our handicap modules have a lever versus the remote control. Inside here is a black handle. Simply pull the black handle towards you to lower the trailer, the module, and push on it to raise it back up. All right, for our new stair design, you simply pull the stairs out, flip them down, and like normal, flip out our handrails, and you're ready to work. For travel, flip them back up, push them in. Back here is a lock pin to keep them from popping out during travel.